This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 283 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Coachmen is 33 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Java interior, sleeps 6, LP detector, water heater, TV antenna, smoke detector, self-contained, external shower, Colorado detector, air conditioning, skylight, slide-out, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 283 RKS is 6,576 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.